Today our assignment is Experiment Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. This is the assignment that we have to complete. This is the title of the assignment, and this is a little description about this assignment. Without wasting your time, I start the assignments, and these are the steps to perform these assignments. Its first instruction says us just we have to download and then open the file. Already I have downloaded and open this file. Respected students, if you need solution of this file or another Excel assignment, PowerPoint assignments, SS assignment, you can contact with me. I provide you the solution with very low and reasonable price. I can also guide you, and I also give you the another facility, that is I teach you if you want to hire me as a teacher, because professionally I am teacher, and I deal with you and understand you as a student without any tension, any problem. You can contact with me each and every time as at on my WhatsApp or email. Okay, next step of this assignment, I just increase its size so you have to see it easily. Its next step is that select and delete row 10 that contain the duplicate vision data. Here in step number 2, just we have to delete the row number 10. This is the Excel sheet, and this is the row 10, and we have to delete it. Right click and just delete. Press the delete. Now I deleted the row 10. This is the step number 2. Now move toward the step number 3 of this assignment. I increase size once again, make it yellow because we see it easily, highlighted inversion. Step number 3 says that select and cut row 11 that contain the date, pharmacy expense, and insert cut cell on row 5. Here we have just cut row 11 and put it or insert it into row 5. Okay, this is the row 11. I have to cut it. Right click, press the cut and place it into row 5. Right click and just paste it. This is the row number. This is the step number 3 of this assignment. Now we move toward the step number 4 of this assignment. Make it clear, so I increase its size and change the color to yellow. This is the formality and that I do for you, because you by making it yellow you see it very easily, and increasing the size screen should be clear to you. And step number 4 is insert a new column A and type expense hash in cell A3. I copy the expense hash, copy it, and firstly I have to insert a new column name A and type expense hash in A3. Once again, I on Excel sheet click on the column A, right click and insert another column C8, this is a column, and according to instruction in cell A3 type or insert expense hash, just enter it. Okay, this is the instruction number 4. After the instruction 4 we move toward the step number 5. For making clear for you, I increase the size and make it yellow. Step number 5 says that type this 2024-03-001 in cell A4 and use autofill to complete the expense number to range A5 to A11. Firstly, we have to type this, copy it in cell A4. This is a cell A4 and just paste here. Enter. This is enter here. And instruction says that by using the autofill option, uh, copy it till A11. Okay, we copy it till A11. This is the instruction number 5. Now toward the instruction number 6, size increases, make it yellow, and just I move toward the step number 6. 6 says that change the width of column A to 12. We have worked on the column A, now increase its size to 12. Right click, column width, and this is the 8.11. Now make it 12. Okay, this become 12. This is the step number 6. Now step number 7. Increase size to 12, make it yellow. Step number 7 says that type March 2024 medical expenses in cell E1 and merge and center the title over the range this. First of all, here I copy this and type in E1. Type in E1. This is the E1 and copy mean I just paste here. Enter. Okay. This is the March 2021 medical expenses in A1. Now what instruction says us? Instruction says merge and center the title over the range A1 to J1. This title covered the area from A1 to J1 and merge and center. Okay, this is the instruction that I have followed. Now next step, firstly bold it and I increase its size to 12. I make it to yellow. Now you see easily. A step says that apply bold apply, green font color, and 14 ppt size font size to the title in A1. Three tasks here. Firstly, I bold the title, then green its font color, then 14 is ppt size. Okay, three type of instruction I apply on the this. This is the bold and this is the 12 and make it font green. This is the green. These three type of instruction that sorry, 14 ppt size. Ppt size is 14. Now its size just 14. This is 14. This is the instruction and I follow this. Now point 9, bold it, make it 12 and make it green. I just take it over. Point number 9 says that find all across of lab and replace them with laboratory. Here in this sheet we have to change lab into laboratory. Okay, lab into laboratory. For this I move in the home tab and find and select this tab and replace. Click on replace and replace what we have to replace, lab to laboratory. Laboratory, lab to laboratory. We have to change lab to laboratory. Just click replace all done. We made two replacement here, two time lab written, so represent and close it. Here we have changed, see it, this is the laboratory and this is the laboratory. Here uh, firstly present there lab, now change it to laboratory. Now move toward the step number 10, make it bold, make it yellow. For yellow, this is my for my own or for you, so you can easily see the bolted and highlighted version of this instruction. Step number 10. 10 says that what says check the spelling in worksheet and correct all spelling. Now we have to correct the spelling. How corrected? For this we have to move into the tab review, and then this is a spelling, click here. And do you want to checking at the beginning of the sheet? Yes. Okay. And change all. Change all. Once again. Once again. Once again. Spell check complete. You are good to go. Mean all spellings are now corrected. This is the step number 10. Now step number 11. Bold it. Increase the size to 12. Make it to yellow. And I raise it. Step says that step number 7, calculate adjusted bill in cell F4. F4 we have to calculate it adjusted bill in cell 4 by subtracting. We have to subtract amount not covered from the amount billed. Copy the formula to the range F5 to F11. Here we have to apply subtraction function and find the adjusted bill. We have to subtract amount not covered from the amount bill. Okay, in F4 this is the F4. Put equal sign and put I just amount bill, and I see what we have to subtract it from each other. Subtracting amount not covered from the amount bill. Okay, amount billed. This is amount billed and this subtracted amount not amount. Okay, amount not billed and subtraction value is amount not covered. Just enter. This is the value that we have to find. Okay, next option says that this should be moved at F11. F11. Copy the formula to F5 to F11. Now we have to cover and clear the point number 11. Now move toward the point number 12. Bolt it, increase its size to 12 and make it yellow. Point says that the calculate what we have to calculate amount owned in cell I4 by subtracting insurance paid and copy from the adjusted bill. We have to subtract insurance paid and copy from the adjusted bill in I4, and this is the I4. Put the equal sign, and this is the adjusted bill, and subtraction from what we have to subtract from the adjusted bill: insurance paid and copy. This is a insurance paid and copy. Okay, instruction says that we have to subtract two values from adjusted bill. First of all, adjusted bill minus, putting the bracket, and subtracted insurance paid and copy, bracket close. Here we have just do adjusted bill. This is the amount, and two amount that are subtracting from this amount are the insurance paid and copy. Just enter. We get 0 and copy the formula to I11. This is the instruction number 12. Almost I have completed here 50% of this assignment. My all students and newcomer on my channel, you can contact with me for getting the solution of this assignment, or giving me another order. You can contact freely with me. I give you much low rate and deal with you as a teacher student relation, because I am professional teacher and I start this work only to facilitate you. Thank you very much. Like, view and subscribe my channel and convey my message to all of the student. This is just my little portfolio that tell you what I can do for you. In this little portfolio, I explain that I do Microsoft Excel assignments, quizzes, and exam, your weekly, annually, or semester wise. PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Access, Mathematics, and Accounting. In the down, my WhatsApp number, and next is my Gmail ID. Thank you very much. Each and every time you can contact with me, I reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.